Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. Today we're going to be doing the part 2 on the 996 to Saint-Tropez video. If you haven't seen the first video, then check it out and you'll know what we're talking about. We're going to be doing the service and the belts, firing the bike up. So yeah, let's crack on with the video. Yeah, so we've got to start this. So we're going to take this fairing off, drain the oil out. Shame they don't have these on the bikes now, isn't it? There's a couple underneath, quick fasteners. You want me to undo these?
Yeah.
They just come out. Take them out.
Look at that, how easy that is.
That's not this one in. Right, size of the battery on this. We've got ginger nuts. Should we explain to people around the world what ginger nuts are, or they just think you've got a condition?
What's the deal?
What are your muffins? You want it?
You're very kind. Thank you.
Trying to slow you down, isn't he?
Trying to slow me down.
What have you got in there?
That's a muffin. Richard bought me a muffin. So
Why would you buy him a muffin?
Well, he's worked so hard this morning in the gym that
Yeah.
I just feel
He
that
ain't since he's been here, that's for sure.
You probably took a bite out of it.
New little ring.
Nothing like a new ring.
Oil filter. There ain't much to these, is there? At all, really? When you look at like a V4 with nothing on there.
Yeah, you can see through, look.
Yeah. V4, you can't even get a straw through it, can you?
No.
That's the 996, and that's what a V4 looks like. Don't drink that.
It says don't drink it.
I think many people have sat there and thought, you know what, just going to fill my battery up, but I'm going to have a swig of that because I'm thirsty. We've still got a couple of things to do for this holiday yet. We've got to plan the route.
The route? Well, I've got to say, the route's probably down to you. Like magical, isn't it?
Yeah. It's beautiful.
Better than my dinner last night, this is.
Yeah.
Better to look at.
Yeah, well, I'll start looking at the route, won't I?
Yeah, the route. What do you think?
You want to go scenic route, do you? Considering we're going to be on the road for about 16 hours anyway.
What's the difference?
Nothing else to do with you that day?
No, I'll be sitting there.
Asleep?
Probably asleep.
Maybe I should drive then. Oil service is done. Battery's ready to go.
I've done the oil, I've done the brake fluids.
Oh yeah, brake fluids are done.
The tyres.
Tyre pressures are done. Now we've got to do the belt service. So that's a bit of messing about really, because you've got to get all this seat unit off, tank off, to get that panel off.
That's the screen wash.
Oh, that's the screen wash in there, is it? There's the belts.
I need one of them, look, my trousers are falling down. I can't be wearing bungee coulters belts anymore.
The other thing I've got to say about it is that we're driving down there in the van, aren't we?
We are.
We're going to van the bikes down there, because otherwise 850 miles.
Be a road trip.
Imagine one of these 850 miles. That's it. That up. There's a pin that comes out or something in there.
Yeah.
Just pull them off, wiggle them out.
I've wiggled.
Yeah,
That's it.
seat unit off.
Look at that.
Like the Panigale, look how long it takes to take the fairing off from the seat unit and all that.
All they've made it now is harder.
Yeah. They had simple ways of doing it then. It's got a load of fuel in it. Put that in Frankie, couldn't I?
Fucking hell, it's full up with fuel. Right, what's connected there, can you see?
No, you've got to lift it up more. Oh, it's just at the back here.
Did you have chips?
What?
You had chips lately?
No, do you know what I had for dinner yesterday?
I can't imagine.
No, do you know what I ate yesterday? Yesterday I had 2 slices of peanut butter on toast for lunch, and I had 2 slices of peanut butter on toast for dinner. I think peanut butter on toast is one of my favourite foods.
I like that.
Load of butter, load of peanut butter, really, so it's all just looks like a caveman's made.
Do you like
it.
crunchy peanut butter?
Yeah, well, funny enough, the morning I had smooth peanut butter, and my dinner I had crunchy peanut butter. I did.
You have to mix it up.
I did.
It's vibrating, hang on.
Wraps it round it. So have you packed your trunks yet?
I'm packed.
Have you? What you got? Nothing.
Very
I haven't even
little.
got a bag. You might want to take me out for dinner.
I'll buy you some peanut butter.
Yeah?
Yeah, these are alright, Andy, look. They're the push ones.
Put your trumpets down there. That comes out.
There we are. See, look, we're at this
Look how
point
simple
already.
it is.
If you had a Panigale now, you'd still be getting the seat off, wouldn't you?
So we get these covers off, get to the belts.
You're probably wondering, will we ever get this done?
Yeah, you're probably wondering, will we ever get it to France? What is that?
Lemon cake.
From when? Is it frozen?
It's in permafrost.
Does look a little bit like a quiche. So out of this trip also, what are you hoping for? Like a trip to Australia as well?
Marriage.
Marriage?
I hope I meet someone rich,
Yeah.
other than Alan.
Yeah, so we'd also be up for where? Trips across America, trips across Australia,
Anywhere warm.
New Zealand.
Yeah. Don't fancy Iceland, I've been there.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
You've been some places, haven't you? That's it.
Access all areas, mate.
Yeah. That's that stripped ready for the belts. And this, we've got to try and pick this out a bit, where it's all gone a bit. So we're going to take this off. So take a big enough bag with you.
I want to look at the map. I love maps.
Alright, I'll show you a map. You can't read a map though, can you? What do you think you can take?
I don't know.
I don't mean what you're going to bring back with you. I better warn you about your...
Kleptomania.
Yeah. So what about if you get arrested for shoplifting in a shop in France? Do you know how to say it wasn't me?
I'll just point at someone.
Would you like to have one of your two strokes down there?
Yeah, I don't mind. What do you want? 500, 750?
Well, it's not for me. I don't want to ride one down there.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Yeah, did I remember?
I did have ash brands in, yeah. So that's mine. That's Paul's. Well, so you got bacon as well?
Yeah, I hope so.
Paul, you got something here?
Well, both of those. I'll have both, yeah.
Man, you got bacon as well.
You've got a drink?
Yeah, I've got a bit of a tea.
I love a bit of bacon.
Well, we'll get this down, then we'll carry on.
Yeah. Right. Hang on, Mark.
Why don't you get a job as a sprayer?
Really?
Sweet.
Right. Is that better?
Yeah, mate, it's like brand new. Lock the tool in.
Take the plugs out, really. Get that off.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Right.
It's a bit, that do you?
Sure?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
Do you want it up?
Yep. Yep.
That's a long spanner, isn't it? For that baby. You wanted a belt today? Put one on.
That do.
That's them tight. It's very clever, isn't it? Did you put a new engine in this?
It looks it. It's nice to work on it, isn't it? Easy.
It's just easy, isn't it? Yeah. You wonder how it's gone backwards. It's harder to work on them.
Yeah, doesn't it?
So that's the service done, belts done, chain done, tyre pressures, brake pads are alright. Just got to change spark plugs, put all this back together, put all the tank and fairing stuff back on. That was what the plugs were like. That's the new ones. Stick them in, we can get the bodywork on, fire her up.
Oh, this is a great record.
Sounds rubbish.
Thanks.
Where would you sort of listen to this music?
Indoors with a woman.
Would you? What, just a lamp on or something? Candlelight?
Just my pants on.
Oh. Right, I've got to get this tube. This has to go back through here.
That's in.
Nice. New battery. We'll fire it up like this, eh? Sit one through. Two through. These little rubbers go on the end. That one clips on there. That one clips on there. That plugs into there.
That's so easy, isn't it?
Yeah. That lowers down like that. Yeah, I think that's it. Side panels just clip on. Done. That's it, back together. Done. I think how often you mess about on things like super sports and that, trying to find that.
Yeah, trying to find that. That goes. That's in.
Wiping it down when you finish with it.
Yeah.
Oh, shut up! I'm known for wiping it down.
Oh yeah, is that what you're known for? Paul, wipe it down.
That's all I'm known for. I often wipe myself down.
This is Alan's bike.
This
And
is the
obviously,
obviously.
it's not personal to me, no. So I can just ride it properly. I ride it like I stole it. Right, so seeing as it's all built now and looking nice and clean and stuff, everything done, do you want to start it up now?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Nice bike.
Perfect. So yeah, tomorrow we'll ride the bike. Then the next thing, we'll be loading it in the van with the other bikes to France. Well, so that's the 996 all ready to go. We're going to ride it in the next video, just take it out for a little test ride in the UK. If you haven't seen the video before, make sure you check it out. This is a whole series of videos that we're doing on the 996 and our trip to France. But as always guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. So what are you looking forward to most on the trip?
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool? But it might be a bit colder now because we kind of delayed it because of the heat out in France, didn't we? It's been like 40 degrees out there, which is nice for the swimming pool, but rubbish for the bike riding. You're looking forward to riding around some of them mountain roads?
Yeah. It's not just the swimming pool.
The restaurant?
The restaurants.
The locals? What about the boat?
No. I've got to say now,
You're not a boat person, are you?
I don't do boats. I'll tell you what I don't do. Boats and discos.
Why not the discos? Don't you like watching people dance, have fun? No. You know people are happy when they're dancing, don't you?
I don't care. I don't want to see other people's happiness. It upsets me.
It upsets you. Are you looking forward to the night in the van?
The van is rocking, don't come knocking.
Yeah. They're only jealous.
They're not jealous, yeah.
The only thing you don't want to do is go on a boat.
Well, you got to go on the boat, ain't you?
He ain't going on no boat. It's
I
like
ain't
Mr.
getting
T.
no copter.
He ain't
Getting no cup.
He don't do boats.
You have to drug him.
Yeah, like they did Mr. T.
Well, don't you like boats, Paul?
Not since the war.
I'm not going on no boat that goes like this.
He landed on the beach and there's people shooting at
Yeah.
him.
The last time we went to France on a boat.
I don't
it
mind a
was
landing craft.
Do you get
Last time I went on
seasick?
the boat, all the tanks
Hold
sank.
on. Do you get seasick or did you have a boat experience?
He gets seasick in a bath. Look, he's only little. Floating about on a sponge.
I can do the Woolwich ferry and that's it.
Do you? Hold on, you need a stunt double for the off-road bit. You need a stunt double for the boat.
Any sailors amongst us? Apart from your good self, any sailors amongst us?
Do you know anyone more his height? It's going to look obvious in the videos if he goes to step on the boat and then you're the one diving off it.
That would be hilarious.
Oh, Lucy.
What's this? Who's this?
Lucy, come here with it.
Is it yours? It's Ben's Liam's.
Lucy got up
Lucy's
this morning and
here.
decided
What's
to get
what are you
half
covering
dressed.
up?
Have you got like one clammy armpit and one not?
No, they're fine actually.
Oi!
5 second rule. You can eat that.
Yeah,
Blow
you
it.
can
10
eat
minute rule, innit?
Oh, so did you have a boating incident?
A boating incident?
Yeah. What about if we hire a pedal over and we're down there?
Yeah, I can do a pedal.
Aim for Africa.
We'll take some trunks,
Well,
spend
that'd
those.
be preferable, wouldn't it?
Three-legged one too. I wouldn't get a pair of speedos next to him.
His speedos look like a pair of gloves. Look like Homer Simpson's glove.
Who's short today?